Welcome to the viewing box, bringing various locations to one location.
Las Américas, Tenerife. The sights, the sounds, and vibe. This is the view from one of the rooms located at the side of the Hotel Vulcano. The Carrade Mini Supermercado has everything you could possibly need, and if you are staying at the Hotel Vulcano, it is right next door to the hotel. Playa Las Américas. This section is just behind Veronica's Strip, and the difference from the Strip is vast. Here you will find many excellent family-friendly restaurants and bars overlooking the ocean. It is also a fantastic place to watch the sunset whilst dining at one of the restaurants. Have you done this walk or dined here? Leave a comment. Even Mickey Mouse was on hand to say hi. Is there a restaurant along here that is your favorite? Or maybe even one to avoid? The temperature on the day of filming was around 28 degrees Celsius and wall-to-wall sunshine. The Golden Mile, drenched in early evening sunshine. The golden hour on the Golden Mile. And here we have the evening to night full view from the balcony at the side of the Hotel Vulcano.